Hello, my name is Tim Darilatobikwitei with student ID A00060566, studying MSc Data Science in the University of Brampton. This is my milestone 4 submission video for deep learning application. My project is called Plant Disease Recognition using MobileNet variants. I trained two lightweight deep learning models, one which is the MobileNet V2 and 2, which is the MobileNetV3-Small, to automatically detect plant diseases from leaf photos and deploy them as a web application with GradCam visual explanations. Now, where I am is my GitHub repository. My GitHub repository. The full code for milestone 2 and milestone 3 has been provided here with public access. Now, the project trains on the plant village dataset, which is a stratified subset that I used. Out of the whole dataset, I used a stratified subset of 6,000 images, which covers 38 disease classes across 14 crop species. Well, the MobileNet version 2 achieved a 97.8% here. It achieved a 97.89% over here during the testing of the accuracy, using only 11% of the full training data. I think which is just 1.61 percentage points below the current state of the art. Well, this is my collab notebook section. I've already provided the code in my GitHub repository. Yeah, so basically this is where I trained it, where I trained the two test nets, one which is the MobileNet version 2, which got the accuracy in the first frozen backbone around 90 percentage, and then from the second part, which is stage 2, which fine-tunes the entire model, and it's got to a 98.33 validation accuracy, which is a very high accuracy. Yeah? And now I'll be showing you the GradCam where we can test the images. Now I'll try to upload. Give me a sec. I'll try to upload the leaf image. Let me try this. Now this shows the plant as tomato. Condition is late live. The confidence is 96.2. And this section is where the MobileNet version 2 reads with a heat map, which makes it predict that this leaf is tomato, and it has a very high confidence level during the prediction. And here is like the top 5 predictions of what the MobileNet version 2 can predict, and which is showing tomato, potato, cherry, and potato as the highest. We can also try it with another image. Let's say this. Okay, this shows that it is a diseased plant, like a diseased leaf, which is corn. We can also try with the mobile test net V3 and analyze it. It also shows it is maize with a confidence of 40.4%, and these are the other predictions. And let's try one more. This leaf, yes, this shows that the plant is apple and it has a black rot. The confidence level is 23.9%. And based on the top 5 predictions, we have grape for 8%, peach for 8%, strawberry for 6%, but apple carries a 24%. So we can basically just upload the leaf based on the category that we trained the dataset on. I need to try to predict using either the MobileNet version 2 or the MobileNet version 3. So basically, to summarize the whole project, this project demonstrates that lightweight model nets models, when trained with ImageNet transfer learning, can achieve near state-of-the-art plant disease recognition with just 11%, which I used out of the available data. So the GradCam integration makes the system explainable and trustworthy for agricultural development. Now, when we're talking about future work, we can include evaluating on real-world field images or applying model quantization for offline smartphone use. Where you can use your phone offline to just check if through the leaf if the plant is healthy or not. We can also extend the datasets to include underrepresented plants that are not really known, like in Africa, like African crop species that are not fully known to the world. So this is basically the whole explanation of the visuals. Thank you for watching. I have provided all the code in my GitHub, and I'll also provide a link to my GitHub during submission. Thank you.